So this is the Logitech C920 Pro webcam. So I know a lot of you guys have wanted webcams because, you know, a lot of you guys are working from home or you're doing like online learning. So I thought this is a pretty nice webcam. It was one of the most recommended on a magazine called Wire. So my dad wanted to pick it up for his Twitch live streams. I can link it down below if you'd want to see my dad listening to music and stuff. I mean, it's amazing. But yeah, so here we have the Logitech C920 Pro. It does 1080p at 30 FPS. It's around 100 UK pounds or around 90 UK pounds, which I don't know what the conversion is for America, but I imagine it's about the same price. So let's get this baby cut open, and yeah, I'll give you my thoughts and opinions after the unboxing. Logitech C920 Pro 1080p 30 FPS webcam. Got a little fingerprint mark on there already. But yeah, so this is pretty much the webcam. We'll get this set up and I'll give my thoughts and opinions. Alright guys, so this is the camera quality of the Logitech C920 Pro. This is also using the built-in microphones, which they say is stereo audio, so maybe it's decent. I don't think it is. I've actually listened to this. I've recorded some videos also on this, just like testing it out and stuff. And yeah, the microphone quality isn't amazing. But yeah, so we're in a decently lit room. It's got a window right there. But yeah, so we're going to turn on the softboxes, turn on the microphones as well, and see what kind of improvements we get. It's also quite an echoey room, so there shouldn't be any improvements in echo or anything like that. So yeah, now this is with softboxes. So I have a white softbox right there and a blue softbox behind me. I don't know if you can see this one. Yeah, you probably can. It just adds quite a nice reflection to the back of my hair, I think. I would zoom this in if I was on stream, but I'm just trying to show you guys what like the true quality is. I would have it more cropped onto my face. So yeah, this is basically what you can do with softboxes for an extra £70. I got two softboxes. I would only suggest getting one really if you don't really want this coloured one in the back, because I don't really think you need anything more than one softbox like actually. So yeah, so this is with softboxes, and now this is with a better microphone. So this is the Fi-Fi K052. It's a gooseneck microphone, so it gets right up close to your mouth. And basically, this is £30 in the UK, or $30 in the US. And I reviewed this back in January, so it's probably a lot cheaper, or a decent amount cheaper. So probably around £20 now, which is pretty impressive actually. You get these off Amazon and stuff like that. I did do a review on back again, but I wouldn't really watch it because it's not nearly as high quality as my latest ones. But yeah, so this basically is a pretty damn good microphone for £30. You can buy this K669B, which a lot of people have recommended, included Linus Tech Tips. So yeah, this is basically the full setup. It's just under £200. So I would very much recommend this, but I will be doing a streaming setup video where I'm just going to go over some of my streaming setups. But yeah, now that we've added all this, I will go on to my final thoughts and opinions. Alright guys, so I also wanted to go over some of the things you can do in OBS, which is a free streaming service. A lot of people use it. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just genuinely think it's a really good service. And basically, we're going to go into some of the capture devices right here. So we've got display capture, audio input capture, and video capture device. So obviously we're going to go video capture device because we're reviewing the Logitech C920 Pro. So if we go video capture device and then properties, basically you can pretty much configure much stuff. Hello guys, I've got the softbox right there and the microphone. But yeah, we're gonna go configure video, and then you can see brightness. You can change the brightness. Oh god, oh actually looks pretty nice. Anyway, contrast. If you want some contrasty vibes, it looks weird as well, by the way. So join me on the dark side. Oh, there we go. No. I was like, I gotta Ooh. So yeah, make sure you change up this resolution. You can't do any higher than 1080. It's limited to 1080. That's why it's an HD 1080 webcam. So that's what it says in the box. But yeah, make sure it's 1920 by 1080 because out of the box it's set to 1280 by 720, and that does not look good by today's standards. But yeah, this is pretty much what you'd expect from the Logitech C920 Pro. Now I'll go over to my full thoughts. I'll keep this short and sweet. I do think this is one of the best options you can pick if you want to start streaming on a budget. I know it's £100, so it is quite expensive. It's probably better for the price, honestly. The innovation really isn't there at the minute in terms of webcams, so I just think this is a reliable option. This is from Logitech, and it's the C920 series, which is pretty much the only series that a lot of people choose to go for their webcams, and genuinely this is a really great product. It's from Logitech, so you get warranty, you get great customer support, you know, stuff that you'd expect from like the biggest gaming company in the world, pretty much, like in terms of peripherals and things like that. I think it's very reliable, not incredibly expensive. It is 90 UK pounds. Probably that in same in dollars, probably like maybe $120. So yeah, for that £90 you're getting the reliability of Logitech and Logitech products. I don't know if there's any Logitech fans out, but I do quite like some Logitech products, like some of the mouse and the keyboard and mouse series that they do. MX Master series I really like. Yeah, Logitech, if you ever want to send one of them around, let me know, I'd be open. It's honestly just a great option if you want to start streaming on a budget, and I could really much suggest it to pretty much anyone. The video quality is great, it looks pretty sharp, especially if you're gaming and you're doing gaming streaming. You know, you usually don't have a full stream dedicated to your face. I mean, that'd be a bit rubbish if you were a gaming streamer having a full face cam. So your face is only going to be up in the corner, and if you're not really bothered about having like a 4K webcam which costs double the price, this is honestly a really good pick. You can probably find better for the price. I really don't think there's much in it. You're not really going to be moving 60 FPS in a stream unless you're going like doing some rubbishy dance from TikTok. Okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, so you're not really going to be moving that quick, and this is a 1080p 30 FPS, which I honestly think is all you really need in a webcam, especially if you're a gaming streamer, unless you really want to step it up to 4K, but those cost double the price. So I genuinely do think this is a great budget microphone for the price. I will be doing a best budget streaming setup, and as well as a best budget gaming setup, so definitely be included in the streaming setup. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. You also get autofocus, as it says on the back of the box, and you also get stereo audio with dual mics, but the mics aren't amazing, so I just suggest going and picking up a $30 or £30 mics. Yeah, that's pretty much Logitech's C920 Pro. Not really much to talk about because, you know, it's a webcam. There's not really many exciting features being brought to webcams, but I do think if you're looking to start off a stream, budget stream, this is a great option. So yeah, this has been... Oh, I just hit my nose. Yes, this has been the Logitech C920 Pro. This has been Tech R Us as well, and I'll see you next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay techie, and I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.